Merry Christmas, boys and girls. My name is Chase, and we have a Christmas box. I have no words, so let's just open it. This is it, guys. This is a blue iPhone 12, 128 gigabytes. Alright, let's open it. I've been just looking at this box for so long. As is tradition, we have a nice little pull tab here. Dude, iPhone unboxings like rarely happen, so I'm so excited about this. We have a box, guys. We have a box. Here we go. Yo, look at that. Oh my god. That, in fact, is a blue iPhone. I don't even want to touch it. Holy cannoli, this is so cool. I feel terrible because I brought along my iPhone 10 and I feel like I'm just kind of almost cheating on my little iPhone 10. You've been a good phone, dude. Don't even worry. Alright, here we go. Let's pick this up. Oh my god, dude. I haven't seen this before, but it's like, it tells you where all the buttons are on the front. That's pretty cool. There's quite the controversy around the fact that we only get a lightning cable here. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still honestly kind of bummed about it, but at the same time, Apple is saving the planet, so I don't know how I feel about it. It's a little lightning to USB-C cable, which will allow for fast charging, which is pretty cool. Unfortunately, we don't get the fast charger, but at least we have the cable. A nice little thing here, and wow, they've made this much smaller. I don't know if this was like this on the iPhone 11. And I do have to say, guys, like, the iPhone 12 is the most excited I've been about an iPhone since the iPhone 10. iPhone 4 will always go down in history as just the most hyped I've ever been for an iPhone. But iPhone 12 looks pretty darn nice, and I think it's a really, really good upgrade. Anyway, okay, let's look what's inside this tiny little package here. It's so tiny. Wow, we have a single Apple sticker this time. You know what that means. Pack it up. You're going right back to the store. One Apple sticker, psh, we're not gonna deal with that. I mean, yeah, I have like a bunch of Apple stickers, so whatever. As if this is an iPhone unboxing and I'm talking about the stickers. Moment of truth, guys. Let's pick this guy up for the first time. Holy cannoli, dude. It doesn't even feel real, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this feels like a dummy iPhone. It's so light and it's like so, I don't know, something about it, it almost just, it feels fake almost. Anyway, let's peel off this front plastic. Yo, here we go. Nani? There you are. There's our Apple logo. Look at that blue though. Holy cannoli. Alright, once and for all, I want to figure out what's the deal with this notch. I think it's because the phone is bigger and also the fact that they made the bezel smaller, that I think the notch is the same size, it's just that there's more screen, if that makes sense. It's wider, basically. Also, I think it's the fact that they made the edges, you know, straight, it's not curved anymore. The screen looks a lot bigger. It doesn't feel like it has that fall off on the edges. But anyway, guys, I think we're gonna leave it at that. This is only a tease. You guys only get a tease. We're already getting some smudges on the back, but that's okay. Once again, Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope you guys had a really great Christmas. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of my unboxing videos, feel free to check out some of the videos below. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell. But for now, my name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.